Learning Flutter in 2025. Or maybe you're stuck halfway and not sure what to learn next. Don't worry, I've got the full roadmap for you, beginner to advanced, in just 3 minutes. Let's start from the beginning. Install Flutter and set up your IDE. I recommend VS Code or Android Studio. Next, learn the Dart basics, variables, classes, null safety, just enough to get comfortable. Now build your first UI with core widgets like scaffold, text, column, and row. Get used to stateful widget and how setState works. It's all about experimenting and seeing changes live in your app. Start building multi-page apps with navigation. Use navigator.push and pop to move between screens. Learn how to create and validate forms, login screens, input fields, and all that. Now you're ready to hit the real-world functionality, calling APIs using the HTTP package or the DO package. And this is where the state management comes in. I suggest starting with provider or go straight to Riverpod if you're feeling bold. Also get comfy building scrollable UIs with list view, grid view, and custom scroll view. Let's go advanced. Set up Firebase features. Next, add local storage packages with shared preferences or Hive, especially for user settings or offline data. Want your app to look amazing? Add animations. Try the built-in hero widget or use Lottie animations for extra flair. Now explore real device features like camera access, location, sensors. Flutter supports it all. Also, learn to internationalize your app with I18N package so your UI can support multiple languages. Once your app is solid, test it. Write unit test, widget test, and run integration tests to catch bugs early. Then it's time to build the release version, sign it, and upload to the Play Store or the App Store. Don't rush this step. This is where your app becomes real. By the way, I've added all the useful links and docs in the description below so you can access everything quickly and learn faster. One step at a time, you'll get there. Like and subscribe if this helped you. And hey, Flutter forever.